dude.
You're on time 2 days in a row.
Don't get used to it.
All right, guys. Humidity's got it all foggy, but this is the waterfall that we're gonna see what's going on with. It's been about 3 hours here the other day. I just kind of diagnosing it, filling it up, seeing what's what. But the it's a semi-submersible pump, but the catch basin's down. It's a very small catch basin, but it's holding water. Up here, it's holding water. I got a small pinhole in the line coming up here, the feeder line. So it's either going to be the liner or maybe one of these fittings on the back side of this bug of this tank are loose, cracked, something. So I got to take care of some things. So kid's going to be here, and super foggy, so I'm gonna leave him the camera and see if he videos anything. But he's gonna start with taking these rocks out right here, and getting this line exposed and seeing if there's something, you know, least impactful, you know, just troubleshoot it, and go from there with it on this one before we have to actually replace the liner. You know, we're going to make sure that 100% we have to replace the liner. And then these are supposed to be getting pulled up here, and we'll do a stamped concrete patio here. All right, guys, well, it's a brisk 95 degrees at 1:32 o'clock, somewhere in there. And my phone's ringing. 1-800 Anderson. Hello? Gotta love spam. Gotta love it. Anyways, got a hole in the hose here. We had some overflowing. Liner, you know, just kind of shifted here. And maybe a small leak behind where it mounts into the upper catch basin. Down here, I think it's just full of debris and dirt, just from time. Because this is actually about as much water as it can hold. So we're gonna let it sit over the weekend and see what the homeowner has to say come Monday, and move forward from there. All right, guys, happy Monday. We have made it through the heat of the summer, and yeah, it's nice and chilly. I'm tempted to put a sweater on, but I got a call over the weekend that pond did not hold water. So it's you know, both catch basins, well, the catch basin, the line for the pump, and the circulation pump, and you know, the waterfall area, all seem to be holding water, so the leak's not there, which means that it has to be in the liner. So probably had a couple rocks rubbing, but from my understanding, the pond's 20 years old. That's kind of the lifespan of it. So today is taking all the rocks out, and if I can make it back there, get that liner out, and then hopefully tomorrow we'll just kind of reshape it, dig out that dirt, and then we'll wait on the new liner to come in. I haven't called my supplier yet, but I know for a fact that it's usually about a week lead time. There's no rain in the forecast yet, so we'll see about that. But that's the goal for today. And we got Fred back, so he gave me a shout this weekend, and Fredo will be coming back. So
How YouTube?
he's back. All right, welcome back here. Kid's on his way. We'll see what this looks like. It hasn't rained. Oh man, they came and really just knocked these out. That's awesome. So we got water here. But our top is dry. I think I might have to stick around for this one. Alright guys, so so we took our pool down at my house this weekend. We just had like a little small guy, I don't know what it was, 16 feet, 14 feet. And so I kind of have an idea of what the evaporation was like over the weekend. And I just don't want to tear this whole thing apart if we don't have to. That's a big cost, you know, the liner's expensive and then plus the labor. So I'm just trying to do as thorough diagnostic as I can. Fred just about ate it. All right. So I'm gonna clean out around this fitting and see if it's a leak here, or maybe the bottom of the tub. The bottom of the tub can't be cracked because it's holding water and it's always held water there. So I just got to figure out where it's at. All right, we're digging around this waterfall box, and we popped it up, and I think they already got disturbed, but there's a bunch of ants, but I don't even see them. But there's some ants with wings. To my knowledge, ants with wings are like termites, so I'm not a pest guy, but I'm gonna make sure I let the homeowner know about that. I was telling Fred, we were moving them rocks, and there's all kinds of critters coming out. There's like a centipede looking thing with tentacles and, you know, crazy looking things on its head. I was telling him, I was like, I think them things are poisonous. He said, you don't think so? I'm like, man, I swear I saw an episode of Baywatch and someone got bit by one of those. So, I don't know. Alright, so we filled this top catch basin, the waterfall, up, and we're just gonna see if it drops from here. That way 100% eliminates this. It also eliminates if it got stretched and tore this silicone membrane here. I don't like how short the liner is on that side, so I understand why they had all this water deflecting coming to one side, because there's not much to go, at least right there. It's nice and high over on this side, but it's not up there at all on this one. So we're gonna just take some rocks out and kind of keep working and keep an eye on this, but that's where we're at for the time being. Look at that thing in there. You can't tell me that doesn't look poisonous.
Where?
See all them legs right there?
Oh yeah, I see it.
I'm telling you, I think I learned something from Baywatch. So I'm not positive, but I have some certainty in my assumption. Right here, the dirt is kind of soft. Over here, the dirt is much harder. So I'm thinking our leak is coming from this seal, and the water is being able to go down under it, and this is where our saturation is. So we're gonna go ahead and just kind of clean this out and see if we can't get a peek in there real quick, but I'm able to push this around and it seems like it's more soggy. You know, you're seeing that move, aren't you, Fred?
Yeah.
I don't know if the camera can pick up, or if it's, you know, I feel more than what I see.
Yeah.
But that's usually a sign of where the water don't run uphill, so we're at the top, so it's usually a decent sign of we're on the right trail, Scooby-Doo. They're shaggy. But I'm gonna go ahead and get to measuring this and get the order in. I'm gonna see what the customer wants to do about down here. I'd at least like to see either a new pump, a submersible pump, or a new collection basin. This one's a little oblong. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know what it looks like there just yet. Until we pull these rocks up, we're just gonna use this like a big blanket to get these small rocks out of here. Should go pretty fast. So, but we're gonna go ahead and measure it and go from there. Probably be a while till we get back to this one. So that's how we'll leave it for right now. Well, a little change of pace. Decided to go ahead and start having the guys rip those rocks out. Fred's unhooking the trailer, and I'll leave the camera with him again. I gotta go do some small stuff. Show him what to do. I want to pull those flagstones up. Okay. That way this thing doesn't slip a track on it. If it says tight quarters. Yeah, that'd be alright. That way you get that rock up there is really heavy. So yeah. We moved it. I mean, we got it off the top.
Short as it is, but not. I was assuming it was a full stone hidden in there, you know?
Yeah.
Good.
So, yeah. Try and get these big guys. Watch out. If no one be underneath those forts. That was a lot of heavy lifting, huh?
That's not bad.
The machine did it all.
They're heavy to pick up. Where do we just dump these here?
Why don't you dump them up here?
Okay.
In this, that way it's just nice and close and clean. And yeah, I think Fred's got a good idea there.
Roll her down, remove that tarp.
Yeah, kind of get all the rocks down here. That way it's just kind of scooping.
Sure.
And then, yeah. You all right, bud?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. You want to go get the drill, Fred, and the drill bag? And then maybe grab a come along and the flat scoop shovel out of the trailer, too.
Alrighty. First day back, I get digging mud and rocks and mud and rocks and mud. Okay, it's worth it, I guess, you know what I'm saying? Got it done. Right?
Yeah,
yeah,
fun.
On a pond, have some rocks. It was fun.
We got the boss man out here today.
Good job.
Hi, Case.
You're doing good work with it. You're digging good holes, huh?
Yeah. But I have to sweat.
Yeah.
I'm helping him dig.
Yeah, you are.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're doing a good job.
I know.
Thank you.
Need a shovel.
Okay.
I say.
You're doing it right.
I say. Get a shovel.
You said get a shovel.
Yeah, right there.
All right, you're right.
Only been a month since you seen him. He's bossier than ever, huh?
Yeah, but good thing he got a shovel.
Yeah, good thing.
Like
Yeah.
that. Is it better? You use a shovel instead of your hands?
Yeah, because Case is using a shovel.
Yeah.
Those are the things.
What?
That's what you can fly.
Taste your awesome, buddy.
Oh, so are you done with that? Are you done with that?
Am I done with this?
Yeah.
Yeah.
With the come along?
Yeah.
Okay, then do a shovel.
Shovel? I'm already done shoveling.
Huh?
I'm already done shoveling. You want to get a shovel too?
You got more dirt in your boot?
No, see?
Good, you got it out.
Yeah, but and there's a walk in there, and there's a walk.
Hold on to me and we'll wipe your foot off so your foot's clean too. Okay, there you go. Okay, is your other one got stuff in it too?
No, but because they have a boots on, so I have to go in there.
That's true. Can you go in there and walk that through the mud and hand it to me on the other side?
Where?
Over here. Can you walk down there and come bring me the tape measure since you got the boots on?
Where?
What's that do?
Say no for them fly.
Like and subscribe.
Yeah.
Stand over here.
I
Now tell me. What does that say?
Say no for them fly.
Show me hold that up. What is that?
No for them fly. See you turn on.
Yeah, just go back by the dump truck and say it one more time.
Say no for them fly.
One more time. Like and subscribe.
Yeah.
Like and subscribe.
Yeah. See you turn on.
Yeah, it's on right now.
Mega! Don't put them fly.
Oh! You tackled me. He's 3D. Yeah.